parked vehicles create serious traffic problems all over the world. Despite being a long-standing global issue, there is still no effective or permanent solution implemented to address it properly. Traffic congestion blocks vehicle flow, especially on narrow roads. It causes longer travel times, higher fuel use, and stress. Emergency vehicles like ambulances get stuck, leading to dangerous, life-threatening delays. Wrong parking delays ambulances, fire trucks, and police, preventing timely response in emergencies and potentially leading to serious injuries or loss of life. Traffic jams from wrong parking cause fuel wastage, delays at work, delivery issues, vehicle damage, and higher operational costs for transport and logistics companies, leading to significant economic losses globally. Wrong parking causes traffic, leading to air and noise pollution, increased CO2 emissions, and rising urban heat due to idling vehicles. Blocked roads from wrong parking lead to road rage, arguments, and mental stress for both drivers and pedestrians stuck in traffic. Wrongly parked vehicles force others to squeeze through tight spaces, causing scratches, accidents, especially with four-wheelers, and damage to public property like footpaths and poles. Wrong parking can lead to fines, towing charges, and impounding fees. In case of accidents due to obstruction, the vehicle owner may face legal liability. Wrong parking makes cities look chaotic. Tourists feel unsafe and stressed, negatively affecting their experience and damaging the city's reputation. Areas in cities commonly affected by traffic due to wrong parking. Old neighborhoods in Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, and Hyderabad face traffic chaos due to narrow lanes, congestion, and limited or poorly managed parking spaces. Busy markets like Lajpat Nagar, Crawford Market, and commercial street face traffic jams due to overcrowding, narrow roads, and lack of parking. Major hospitals like AIIMS, KAIM, and PGI face traffic chaos due to wrong parking, crowding, and limited access roads. During peak hours, parents park on narrow roads near schools, causing traffic jams in areas like Mayur Vihar, Kormangla, and Navi Peth. Stations like New Delhi, Dadar, Havha, and Majestic face traffic jams due to wrong parking, overcrowding, and poor traffic management. Temples, mosques, churches, and festival zones like Ganesh Pandals cause traffic jams due to crowding and widespread wrong parking. Areas like Dharavi and Selampur have narrow lanes, no formal parking, and high congestion, worsening traffic conditions significantly. People park near metro stations and under flyovers, like Rajiv Chowk and AIIMS flyover, causing major traffic bottlenecks daily. Solution: communication system for parking violations, noise pollution mitigation, traffic management, and facilitating quick driver interaction. Button: a user-friendly button is installed on the exterior of the vehicle, typically located near the back, front, or side, where pedestrians can easily access it. When pressed, this button activates the video communication system. Camera: a compact camera is mounted alongside the button. This camera is equipped with night vision capabilities, allowing it to capture clear video footage in low light conditions. The camera also features face detection technology to ensure that video calls are initiated only when a full face is detected. Speaker and microphone: high-quality audio components are integrated into the exterior setup, allowing for clear communication between the driver and the person pressing the button. Internal mobile communication system: the external components are connected to a mobile communication system housed within the car. This system utilizes mobile network connectivity and internet access to facilitate real-time video calling. Upon activation via the exterior button, the system automatically connects the video call to the driver's mobile number, predefined saved mobile number, via internet or mobile network. Once the button is pressed, a video call is initiated to the driver's mobile device. The driver can see the person who pressed the button on their screen, enabling them to communicate directly and effectively about the obstruction. The system records the entire video call communication for accountability and reference, which can be beneficial in case of disputes regarding the parking situation. The system is designed to protect the privacy of both parties. Neither the driver nor the individual share personal mobile numbers. Only pressing the button is required too. The communication is facilitated through the dedicated internet or mobile network. The face-activated feature prevents accidental call initiation when no one is present, further enhancing the user experience and protecting privacy. The complete mechanism is fully waterproof, ensuring its reliability and durability in various weather conditions.